Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Hyperledger Composer training series. We have come long way. We have started with the prerequisite installation. We covered that the prerequisites. Um, we covered the Ubuntu installation. Then we covered the installing the development environment. We installed the Hyperledger Fabric. Then we installed a sample application to the playground. Okay, in the playground tutorial we have finished that one. We have seen how blockchain is working and how the blockchain is recording transactions. All these things we have covered. Today we will go one step further. Okay, instead of playground we will build a REST server, and we will install the same application inside a REST server. Okay, so this is the same developer tutorial. This is the one we have to go. So note down the URL: Hyperledger GitHub Composer latest tutorial developer tutorial.html. Okay, in this URL they have given how to step by step instructions what we have to do. Okay, I will follow you guys and show you what all things we have to do to set up the REST server. So first we will run the yo. We have seen what is this Yeoman. Yeoman is nothing but a, a skeleton builder. It will build an application for us based on the input we give. Okay, we are going to build a network. Yeoman generator create skeleton business network. This create a directory containing all the components of a business network. Okay, let's copy. We have to copy. Let's copy here. Yeah, start building. It will ask questions. We are okay. Business network name. Okay, here they are asking us to give a tutorial network. Let's follow the same thing. Business network name is tutorial network. Description, what they ask us to give something, some network. Author name ABC buddy. Email abc@blockchainbuddy.com. License, let's Apache. They ask us to select Apache 2.0. Biznet namespace. Namespace is an important one. They are asking us to give business to it. But these tutorial ask us to give this one. Let's give what's in the tutorial. Okay, that is given. So select no when asked whether generate an empty network or not. Generate an empty template network. Generate a populated sample network. Okay, we need some populated sample network. It's okay. we have to modify that, but let it generate something populated. Okay, it generated the code base. We have to modify that. Yeah. Now the step 2, it is asking us to modify one by one. Okay, before modify, let me open VS Code. Remember, they suggested us to use VS Code. This is from Microsoft. This is a very popular one and easy to use. It got opened here. So this human created the directory called CD. Let's see what directory. It's the tutorial network, the directory name. Yeah, CD tutorial network. Okay. Yeah, it has all the files we need. Where is this VS Code? Yeah, here you go. VS Code. Okay, those who download VS Code new, they have to make sure that install a plugin for Composer, Hyperledger Composer. I think I didn't install. Let me install. So go to this one, extensions, Control Shift X, and enter Composer. It will show up Hyperledger Composer plugin. Let's install that one. Yeah, it's installed. So now we will open, let's close this one, open file. How to open file? Yeah, this one, open folder. Fabric Tools Tutorial Network. Okay, tutorial network. Yeah, so going back to the tutorial, they are asking as a step 2, they are asking us to modify the CTO file, the model file, and they are asking us to replace this value. So let's go to the CTO model, my network CTO. This is the skeleton that you generated. Just remove that. So we define our model. We have a asset, commodity, participant, trader. We have transaction, trade. We have seen this one in our last tutorial where we did these things on a Composer sandbox. Okay, so we modified the CTO file. Now they are asking us to modify the logic.js. Okay, this is the place where we execute the transaction. So copy lib logic.js. This is what the human generator. We do not need this one. We will replace that with our own. So same function, trade commodity. It will have a trade. The trade has a new owner. The old owner getting replaced by a new owner on a commodity, and that commodity get updated once the new owner information is added. That is getting updated. So that's about logic.js. So then the third file, access control, we need to modify that also. Let's see what the human has generated. Wow, it has little complicated. Different parties have different roles. This operation is create operation is allowed, hold operation is allowed for this case. What we are doing is very simple. We are allowing all the operation. So there is a two list, white list and a system. This is default. By default, all the operation allowed all across the network, and this is for the system. So we made it that as a control symbol. So let's go to next step. That is okay. Let's read what they say. Now that business network has been defined, it must be packaged into a deployable business network archive, and it is called a BNA file. Someone is calling it as banana files. So it's a BNA file. These BNA files are nothing but this. Those who are from the Java background, they might have known that jar file. It's like that. They are packaging the whole system into one file. Okay, so they're asking to go to the tutorial network directory that we already did, and this is the command to generate the BNA file. So let's run that command and let's see how that goes. Yeah, so command succeeded. So we have a BNA tutorial network at the rate BNA. So that step done. Now go back to the step 4. Yeah, deploying this business network. Okay, to deploy this business network, we need an administrator. Okay, so the administrator called peer admin, we need that peer admin created. Okay, so there was a command in a previous tutorial to create a peer admin. Okay, let's go back and see that command. Where is that one? Yeah, create peer admin card. Okay, let's run that command. So ll, where is that command? Create peer admin card, the fabric tools. Just run that command. Let's see what happens. Command successfully run. Command successfully run. Yeah, the peer admin card got created. Now we will go back to our tutorial. Yeah, so to install business network from the tutorial network directory, run the following command. This will install the BNA file with the card, the admin card, and all the information needed. So we have to run this one from this directory. Here we go. This may take few minutes. Oh, it failed. So it failed because I haven't started fabric. I would like to show one more command. Docker ps will show us what all Docker is running. But we have in Linux we have one more command called watch. Okay, watch command. It will let us watch a command. So it has a -n. This 5 stands for seconds. So this is the command. So every 5 seconds this command will execute and it will watch for what's the status of this command. So I am going to run watch minus n instead of 5 seconds. I'm going to give this second docker ps. Okay, so our Hyperledger fabric, those things are running. Yeah, discard these one python.api. Those are something else I was running in this system. So now we will issue this command again. Let's see what happens now. Yeah, command succeeded. Did anything change? No, not yet. So to start the business network, run the following command. So it has composer network start. Here we installed. Now we are going to start the network name, tutorial network version 0.01, network admin password, card is the peer admin, file network admin card. So all the information we have given before, that is we entered here. This is the format. We will go in detail and see later. Now just copy and run this command. So let's see. Yes, here there will be changes happening. Yeah. Where is our here? This no, not that one. I don't know which one. I had to see closely. This may take a minute. Not yet completed, still running. Yeah, some change happened. Let's see what is that. It's taking longer than I expected. Okay, let's see what else is remaining in the steps. So we are going to start the business network. Once business network is started, to import network identities, run the following command. It's successfully finished. Let's see what is changed here. Okay, we will see that later. So let's run this command. To import network administrator identity as a usable business network card, run the following command. I don't have an explanation for this step. Okay, I don't understand that. Yeah, successfully imported business card file. Yeah, admin. Composer card import command requires the file name to be specified. So we specified network admin card. So the card is created. To check the business network has been successfully deployed, run the following command to ping the network. Okay, this command, just pinging the network to make sure that it is deployed successfully. Yeah, the command successful, so that part is done. Now we are going to run the Composer Rest server. Okay, let's it will open a new Docker container here. We can see that it will ask few questions like what is the card used. So we have given this is the card, right? We have to re-enter that one, admin at tutorial network. That is the admin card we have created. Always use, so specify if you want namespace in the generated REST API. So always select never use namespace when asked whether to use namespace in the generated API. They are asking us to use never use. So I think in production environment we have to always use namespaces, because otherwise there will be conflicts. To avoid that, we have to use namespace. But here they are asking us to choose never use. Let's use that option. Specify if you want API key secure REST API. They are asking us to enter no, but in a production environment we have to enter yes, because we have to make it secure. So just click enter. Since this N is capitalized, that means that's the default selection. So just enter. Specify if you want to enable authentication using a password. So that also they are asking us to enter no. Publication, they are asking us to yes. So just press yes. This is the default. TLS security, they are asking us to enter no. Just press enter. Discovery, so here there will be some changes. I'm not sure where it went. I think I had to. Let's start. The REST servers is running on this location. Just start that one. I think I had to manually enter that location. Local host 3000. Yeah. So we have a commodity, we have a trade, we have a trader. Those are the three things we have defined in our network. All this here. So let's see what is there in the commodity. Try it out. Okay, we get nothing, because there is no commodity we added. We have to add the commodity, we have to add the trader, then only we can do a trade. So how to add those things they have given in the previous tutorial. So instead of typing ourselves, to save time, just go ahead and copy. So we first copy commodity. Where is commodity? Yeah, this is the commodity. So we will first define post. Okay, post. Post a commodity. What we are going to do? The commodity name is ABC and belongs to trader 1. To give it more realistic, let's give this trader 1 name as Rahul. Try it out. We are submitting that commodity to the network. Let's see what happened. Response 1, response code 200. So that commodity got added to the network in name of the trader Rahul. Wow, we have to define the trader now. Okay. Trader copied. Let's collapse this tab. Get it. Yeah, let's see what the commodity. We have added the commodity. Let's see whether the commodity got listed here. Yes, the commodity got listed here. Now we will collapse this one. Post. Oh no, not trader. Not trade. We have to add a trader. So let's see. The trader 1 I have given Rahul. Trader ID I have given as Rahul. So just response. What response it got? Yeah, trader 1 got added. Now we have added trader 1. Now we have to add trader 2. Trader 2. Let's go here. Trader 2. Trader 2 I will try it out. That is successful. Let's go back and see to the get command what traders are there inside the network now. Try it out. Get. We have 2 traders. One is Modi, one is Rahul. Now we have defined commodity, we have defined the trader. Now we have to define a trade transaction. Copy. Let's see who has the commodity. Where is that? Yeah, Rahul has the commodity. Now we will execute a trade. Rahul has the commodity, and now Rahul is selling that to Modi. Let's see what happens. 200 successful. Okay, now we go back and see who has the commodity now. See, Modi has the commodity. It was with Rahul, and Modi got it back from Rahul. So, yeah, we have created a REST server. We have created an application, loaded into the blockchain, and using our REST server, we start communicating with the blockchain. So, okay, this REST server is again part of their system. I mean, they have provided. We just used that. In the next video, I will generate our own server. Okay, our own interface. Using our own interface, we will start communicating with the blockchain, and we will update the blockchain. That we will do in our next class. Till then, I request you guys to follow the video, follow the document, try it yourself as much as possible. Okay, if there is any doubt, reach out to the group. Group will help you. Okay, try it out, get your hands dirty. That's the only way you can learn. Okay, thank you. Bye.